host, Kevin with Frame My TV. We're happy to have you today. We're coming to you from Methuen, Massachusetts. We're a manufacturer of frames for TVs, TV mirrors, motorized canvas paintings, and our newest product line is for Samsung The Frame, our Décor TV frame line. We're excited to have you here at our booth for CEDIA Virtual Expo 2020. We're going to be taking you on a great behind-the-scenes tour of our full manufacturing operations, let you see everything really being just made right here in America. Also, we'll take you behind the scenes into our engineering lab and show you where all of the new product development happens and new things we have on store coming up for 2020. One of the reasons Frame My TV is such an important component is how it brings the custom integrators connected with the interior design community to really make technology a part of the home decor and the overall lifestyle. You can see a full range of all of our solutions on framemytv.com, where you can design and build your own custom solutions or point and click and shop for your ideal Décor TV frame for Samsung The Frame. When you come to CEDIAExpoVirtual.com, you can easily find our virtual booth by going to the top left and searching for Frame My TV. Come check it out.